Have you been wondering how to join a Spotify family account quickly and easily? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Let's get started. If you want to join a Spotify family plan, open your Spotify app and log into your account. Firstly, head to the top right corner and access the settings. In the menu that appears, select the Premium option. Here, you'll see the current plan you have on Spotify. If you want to join a Spotify family plan, swipe down and look for Premium Family. If you already have a family plan, great, you're all set. But if you're not part of a family plan yet, you'll need to ask the plan manager to invite you. To join a family plan, ask the manager to send you an invitation. Once you receive the invite, click on the link provided. Follow the prompts to complete the process and join the Spotify family plan. And there you have it. Now you're part of a Spotify family plan, enjoying the benefits it offers. If this video helped you join a Spotify family plan, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.